Hi guys, it's Angela with Andy Styles Boutique and welcome to our channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a repeat viewer, welcome back. If you are a subscriber, mwah! Thank you guys so much for rocking with us. We really love you. I am back with another video and this is an unboxing. Well, guys, if you follow this channel, you know I love to shop all things craft related. So I have a couple items or a couple companies that I have ordered from, and I was gonna do individual unboxings, but then I decided let me go ahead and combine a few of them because some of them are similar items and we can do like a comparison contrast. And then yeah, I just didn't want to make a ton of videos because I ordered small amounts from these companies. But we're going to unbox them and then we'll go through them together. If you like what we do here and you just keep coming back and you keep hanging out with us, please consider subscribing. That would mean the world to us. Share the video if you like. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. I will respond. Speaking of questions, someone asked me about my Facebook group because they wanted to join. Well, the story behind that is my Facebook account got hacked. Yeah, people just, I guess that's what we do now. But anyway, it got hacked. I lost a ton of pictures of family, my weddings, things that I had posted over the years. I lost all of that. And along with that went my Facebook group that I had. But I have been playing in my mind, which is where my ideas start, and I play around with it and I kick the can down the road a little bit and then I'll formulate something. But I have decided to create a new Facebook group. I will announce it here first. You guys will be the first to know the Facebook group and then the direction that I want to take the Facebook group. So I think I like the idea, and I hope that you guys are going to like it as well when I finally put the Facebook group out. And I'm telling you guys, it's sooner rather than later because I miss it. I miss having the Facebook group. But yeah, hacker's gonna hack. All right, so let me grab the packages. Let's see, there's a good bit of them, but hold on one sec. There's another one. All right, so I could have had all of these in one place, but I wasn't sure if I was going to do individual videos or if I was just going to do one big video. And I'm erring on the side of doing one big one because I just got home from work. I did a 4-day trip. And those of you that have been hanging out here, you know I am a flight attendant. Yep, I'm up in that air working and getting people to where they want to go, to visit their families, and so on and so forth. So these are, I'm trying to group the ones that are similar. That goes over there, this goes here, and then that goes there. All right, so let's go ahead and do this one. These are similar, so maybe we'll just do one video of the similar items and then we'll break the other ones up because I don't want you to get bored out of your skull with this or whatever. All right, so this package is from Zindy.com. I follow her on YouTube. This is YouTube. Yeah, I follow Zindy.com on YouTube. So I have been watching her create acrylics, and I decided to go and order from her website. And like I said, she's on YouTube if you want to follow her. What I do is I like the paper she sent it to me. This is very nice. What I do is the way I research and get my ideas and create my skill set for you all and for myself is I'll go and I'll watch videos. I'll do a compilation of skills. I'll look for tips and tricks and so on and so forth. And then I will go and create a method that works for me and the way my brain thinks and formulates. So, all right. Let's see. Now, when I ordered from her, I did, like I said, I ordered acrylics and I ordered some papers. She has these papers. Oh gosh, look guys, look at these. I saw her do a video on this particular paper here, but then I ordered these. They are so gorgeous. So I'm excited to see what I come up with. I may try to duplicate the craft that she did on her channel with that paper. It won't be exactly alike because as an artist, you know, our brains don't work the same. Even if you give an artist the same set of materials and, you know, a time limit or whatever, the material, it's going to be different. You're not going to come up with the same thing. So what I ordered from her wasn't a Mickey Mouse acrylic. This is going to be a luggage tag. I ordered 2 of those. You hear my dog in the background. She wants to go out, but she's just going to have to wait for a sec. Then I ordered 2 luggage tags that I'm going to use. These are acrylic, so I'll create something with those. This is a clamshell that I saw her use to make badge reels, so I'll do a tutorial on that. And she used this, and then she used this paper to make the badge reel. So we'll see what I can come up with that. And then oh, she's getting loud, isn't she, y'all? She mean business. All right, so then we have these. All right, so you know what? I got to let the dog out. She rules. So that is my haul from Zindy.com. So I'll have to put the other ones in a separate video. So thanks for hanging out. Go out, check her out. Check out some of her videos. And then also check out her site. All right, guys. Happy crafting.